right, viewers, welcome back. Remember, there is an attempt to use Sambhal, which is now that embers of Sambhal seem to be rekindling. And that's used by certain political parties to gain support for the Places of Worship Act. And while doing so, it looks like that some are injecting really a political angle to it. It looks like, especially for the Congress party, these seem to be standing true, outsmarted by its ally in taking the lead over Sambhal issue. The party is now playing catch-up. Party's minority cell in Uttar Pradesh, rather, has now launched a statewide campaign. They've questioned, believe it or not, directly the CJI, and they claim that the Chief Justice of India is silent on the controversy surrounding the Places of Worship Act. The campaign, which the UP Congress is planning to launch, is likely to run till 22nd of December, and they are saying that they will be sending 1 lakh letters to the CJI. That's the claim which the UP Congress is making. They claim, and they say, a charge by the UP Congress, they say that it's the judiciary which is silent over the alleged violations of the Places of Worship Act, and they'll be writing letters over the same. Listen into what they had to say first of all.
प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट स्पष्ट तौर पे कहता है कि 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन तक जो भी इबादतगाह है, मंदिर मस्जिद जो भी है, वो उसी तरह रहेगा, उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं हो सकता। उसको बदलाव देने की मांग के साथ कोई अगर याचिका जाती है तो किसी कोर्ट में स्वीकार भी नहीं होगी। इस पे 3 साल की सजा का ही प्रावधान है। उसमें ये भी कहा गया है कि जैसे ही ये कानून बना, जितने भी वाद लंबित हैं वो भी सब अपने आप स्वतः खत्म हो जाएंगे। लेकिन हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि संभल की जामा मस्जिद में ऐसा कोई वाद नहीं था, फिर भी एक याचिका स्वीकार कर ली गई। 1 लाख चिट्ठियां चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया को भेजेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे कि क्या ये कानून खत्म हो गया तो कब हुआ ये बताइए, और अगर ये है तो इसकी अवमानना पर आप चुप क्यों हैं। उनसे ये भी पूछा जाएगा क्या इस चुप्पी की वजह भाजपा और आरएसएस का दबाव है।
Here's a look at what the letter says, viewers. The letter which they plan to send to the CJI, it pertains certain questions. Question number 1, is Places of Worship Act in place or not? Question number 2, which the UP Congress plans to ask, and I repeated verbatim, if yes, why is there no action over violations? Question number 3, is the government RSS pressure behind your silence? A very big question which is being asked by the UP Congress. Next question, why not stall ex-CJI's anti-constitutional verdict? Question number 5, why is there no suo motu cognizance of this state-sponsored violence which the UP Congress claims is happening on the minorities? BJP has also hit out. They have alleged that this is yet another proof of Congress's anti-Hindu face. Listen into the war of words.
कांग्रेस ने अब अधिकृत रूप से घोषणा कर दी है कि वो संविधान के साथ नहीं, वो वोट बैंक के भाईजान के साथ है। वो एक तरफ अपने आप को पाती है वोट बैंक के चक्कर में, इसीलिए तो संभल में भी जब पीड़ित मुस्लिम होते तब वो चली जाती है, पर नेहा हिरेमत के पास नहीं जाती। पर अब सामने निकल कर आया कि कांग्रेस प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट के खिलाफ एक अभियान चलाएगी, कैंपेन चलाएगी, सिग्नेचर कैंपेन। सोचिए कि अगर कोई अपना संवैधानिक अधिकार इस्तेमाल करे, कोर्ट जाए, तो उसके खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी कैंपेन चलाएगी। उनके अधिकृत प्रवक्ता आलोक शर्मा कोर्ट जाएंगे और कोर्ट से कहेंगे कि ये अधिकार नहीं मिलना चाहिए हिंदू पक्ष को। दूसरी ओर गैर संवैधानिक, असंवैधानिक अनलिमिटेड पावर वक्फ को मिलना चाहिए।
Okay, my colleague Akansha is joining us live on the broadcast. Akansha, there seems to be no end to the face of the war of words over the Places of Worship Act. Now the UP Congress planning to send over 1 lakh letters to the CJI. Help us understand what the UP Congress plans and also the political fallout of the same.
Well, absolutely. You see, UP Congress has come out with a new campaign, and this time to put a pressure on Chief Justice of India, questioning him regarding the silence on also inaction as far as the Places of Worship Act 1991 is concerned. What they're actually saying is, recently, in fact, as far as Places of Worship Act is concerned, several lower courts have violated that by, in fact, directing survey as far as Gyanvapi, Sambhal, or Madhya Pradesh Mosque is concerned, or Krishna Janambhoomi case is concerned. So they will be sending 1 lakh letters to the Chief Justice of India, questioning his inaction in this case and also silence, asking whether he will overturn the judgment that was given by the previous Chief Justice of India regarding the survey as far as the Places of Worship Act is concerned, and it remains to be seen how the top leaders of the Congress party react to this campaign that has been launched by the UP Congress, and that will go on till December 22nd is what we are learning. And this will also, they are saying that they will also include the Dalit community in this campaign as well. And BJP has reacted sharply to this, saying that this exposes the anti-Hindu mindset of the Congress party, and that they have become the new Muslim League is the charge that is coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But definitely the showdown over the Places of Worship Act has escalated. They are questioning how the lower courts can order survey as far as the religious structures are concerned when there is Places of Worship Act 1991 in place, and this is clearly a violation of this Act. And now they'll be sending a letter to the Chief Justice of India asking why he's not taking suo motu cognizance of the violence that took place in Sambal as well. Why is he not, in fact, intervening as well as the violation of the Places of Worship Act is also concerned? Will he be overturning the verdict of his predecessor, that is D.Y. Chandrachud? So all these questions will be asked in the letter that they will be sending to the Chief Justice of India, and they have launched this campaign that will go on till December 22nd is what we are learning. But BJP has reacted sharply to this. It remains to be seen whether they have or they have not gotten the support of the Congress's top leadership on this specific campaign.
Exactly, and many are now questioning, just like you were mentioning, and we heard the BJP reactions as well, that the Congress party is directly attacking the judiciary. Has the Congress rebutted this charge which is coming in from the side of the BJP? And also it's a campaign by the UP Congress. Has the central leadership, the top leadership of the Congress party clarified their stand on the same?
Well, as far as the top Congress leaders are concerned, they have not reacted to this new campaign by the UP Congress, but it remains to be seen what they say about it. But as far as the violence in Sambal is concerned, and also violation of Places of Worship Act 1991, time and again we have heard from the Congress leaders as far as this is concerned that Places of Worship Act has been violated by the lower courts by ordering survey not just in Gyanvapi but also recently in the Sambal Mosque as well. So they have maintained that Places of Worship Act has been violated. And yesterday we also saw, in fact, the Muslim side, as far as the Gyanvapi is concerned, they have also moved the Supreme Court intervening in the review of Places of Worship Act, saying
and
that
you were right, you're speaking about the Places of Worship Act. Meanwhile, it's not just the UP Congress which is planning to write a letter. There seems to be another controversy which is brewing, viewers, and this is all in continuation of the same. This is regarding the Atla Mosque, which is located in Uttar Pradesh's Jaunpur. Now, they have moved the Allahabad High Court and they have challenged the local court's May 2024 order, which had, remember, allowed the registration of a suit which had claimed that the mosque was originally an ancient temple. And the suit basically claimed that this was earlier referred to as the Atla Devi Mandir. Now, the mosque side has filed a plea against it, and that really has become the bone of contention. That's the big flashpoint which is happening at the moment.